What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the late update. I was celebrating my 30th birthday in Dubai, and now that I'm back, I'll be posting a video every single week just for you guys. Now let's get started on this video. I want to reveal the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner, and I actually drew the winner while I was in Dubai in for the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. Check out this video. Oh wait, hold on. Before I go, I also want to say thank you guys for everyone who supports the channel. I really appreciate you guys. So if there's anything specific that you guys want to see, like more RX-7 videos, more Super videos, more GTR videos, maybe some NSX content, maybe some F80 content, do-it-yourself videos like how to make a garage like this or like a gym setup like this, please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and I'll try to make the videos for you guys. Thank you guys again. Hope you guys subscribe. See you guys in the future. So it looks like we got 81 comments here. We'll start the raffle right now. Justin Wong. This man is legit. Seen him detail my friend's cars for years. The quality is incomparable. Pick me. I could use some luck right now. Perfect. Well, I'm here in Dubai. Check this out. Wow. So Justin Wong, you see this? You won the raffle. I just want it all. Money in the cars right now. I don't wear a tie, but they say I let a boss like. I just want it all. Pool and a bad bitch way back then. Thought that we would never have it. I just want it all. Want it all, I just want it all. How but law? Kill him so cool, you could call me Mr. Frost. Come find me where the money is. Ever feeling lost? I just want a ball, so sick of playing toss. I remember back then I had a dream. Since then I've been sleepwalking. All the ups and downs I was seesaw in. Strong like steroids, game time. I just heard his niggas like a bellboy. Tell him that it's over. Bonito, I can make it born like a mosquito. It's just all in my stilo. In my pockets are the only thing bigger than my ego. I just want it all. Money in the cars right now. Where time when they say I let it all. I just want it all. Everywhere you wanna be, moving high velocity, driving irresponsibly, but I think come and take a ride, see the world through my eyes. Every day is a surprise, so I party like my birthday. LA is my birthplace, first place, west side, loud as I wanna be. Been sleeping on me, now they in the fetal, yeah I'm neato, everything's in tuxedo.